It's okay, you're safe now, little ones. Come on in, sweetie. It's okay, you're safe now.
You're safe now, don't be afraid, little ones.
Excuse me, I need help right away. My cat is badly hurt, and she just had kittens.
These 3 look dehydrated. We need to start subcutaneous fluids immediately.
Agreed. How is the mother cat's paw?
The bleeding has stopped, bandaging now.
Let's clean this paw gently.
Her breathing is shallow. Keep monitoring her vitals.
We need to stabilize her paw first. Keep the kittens warm and calm.
We need to wrap this gently. Keep her calm while we treat her.
We need to monitor her closely.
Ensure the kittens stay warm. We must keep her calm.
Check all kittens for injuries.
Prepare the treatment quickly.
The paw is fully wrapped now. Let's keep them under observation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. In you go. You're all safe now, don't worry.
You are such a good mama. Don't worry, your paw will heal soon. We love you all so much.
There you go, Mama Cat. Make sure you eat enough.
Come on, you little rascals, get the feather. Who's gonna catch it first?
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel.